I will be showing you how I achieve these vintage waves using a barrel curl. What I will be using is this Revlon 3/4. It is a curling iron, but I was able to take off the little clamp just to make it into a wand. So with my hair, I like to part it from the side, so I just do my part just to have it set already. I like to start off with the bottom part of my hair and then just work my way up. So what I do is section out a bottom part and just clip up the rest. So you're gonna get a hair. So what you do is you're gonna wrap it around and twist it. Wrap it around, or twist and wrap. Twist and wrap. So I'm gonna show you. You twist it while you wrap it. You twist it and wrap. Twist it and wrap. And now, just leave it here for a little bit. And then that is my curl. So let me just go do this one again. You're gonna put it by the base of your hair. You're gonna twist and roll. Twist and roll it. Let go. And then there's my curl. So let me just do my whole hair. So this is one side done. Now I'm gonna finish up this side and do my bangs as well. I would say also, just when you are curling your hair, curl it under, just so that the curls are in formation. Basically all my hair curled. Now with my bangs, I just basically under curl them the same way, just so when I'm brushing my hair, I'm able to blend them into the hair without being noticeable that I have bangs or short hair right there at the top. You want to let your curls just rest and cool down before you start brushing out the curls itself. So I have let my curls cool down, and with a bristle brush, I'm actually going to brush them out. I also have this teasing comb, just so I could be able to tease them a little bit and give them more volume. So let's get started with the brush out. Now it's nothing. As you can see already, they started to fluff up. So I'm just gonna lightly comb the back and just comb the hair. And with these clips, I am actually going to put them in my little dents, my little side dents, or the waves, just so that I can get a little bit of a deeper wave, I guess. On this side, I usually tease my side hair. Just brush it out, and I usually just pin that hair back. Add a little bit of hairspray and smooth it out as much as I can. Now with my bangs, I try to mix them into my hair just so that everything can blend together. And what I do is I just tease it, and with the bristle I lightly comb it, and I try to get it as blended as possible. I'll take off the clips from those little dents. Overall, this is my vintage hair look and how my curls, my little waves came out. I did have to brush it out a few times, and I use these clips just to set them on the little waves where I wanted the indentation, and just use a little bit of hairspray. Don't forget, the trick is to use a barrel, a curling iron, or a wand. This is 3/4. What I did was get a strand of hair, wrap it underneath, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap. Leave it there for a little bit, let it go, and let the hair rest before you actually start to comb out your curls. And if you do try this out, please tag me on Instagram or send me a message and let me know how it goes for you. I hope it works out just as good as me, and we'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.